He cabinet approved various appointments. Finally, the fourth ordinary session of the second annual sixth fiscal year of the cabinet approved the appointments. Accordingly, 1. Commissioner Kafalu Tafara, Vice Presidential Level Security Cluster Coordinator. 2. Mr. Masfin Malaku, Vice President, Urban Cluster Coordinator. 3. Mr. Hussein Fayaso, Head of the Bureau of Culture and Tourism. 4. Ms. Kokabi Didha, Head of Public Service and Human Resource Development Bureau. 5. Mr. Ahmed Idris, Head of the Orissa Investment Bureau. 6. Mr. Guy Warriot, Head of the Bureau of Attorneys. 7. Mr. Gitu Gamachu, Head of Busness Agriculture, Orissa. 8. Mr. Mahamd Gai, Head of Urban and Housing Development Bureau. 9. Mr. Daniel Charanat, Head of the Bureau of Commerce. 10. Mr. Matthew Saboka, Head of the Bureau of Employment Creation and Skills. 11. Engineer Jerma Ragasa, Head of the Orissa Bureau of Irrigation and Horticulture. 12. Dr. Adare Asafa, Head of the Bureau of Development Institutions. 13. Mr. Badri Tamam, Vice President of the General Court of Oromia. 14. Mr. Galmo Wacko was approved as the Deputy Chairman of the Standing Committee on Budget and Control of Development Resources. We are sacrifices and we want the Holy Church to continue, said Abun Saros, the Orthodox Church of Oromia. In line with this, blessed Abba Gabriel entered his diocese. I am having a conversation with them as believers. The recent situation on social media regarding the issue of reconciliation in the Orthodox Church conflict is reflected in the statement issued by the Orthodox Church in Oromia. Do I need to say anything more? Hebrews 11 verse 3. Let us speak, pray, and give thanks to God, who hears everyone. He doesn't tire of listening. God is the truth. Strong God.